Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking loaded potatoes. So I've got 6 potatoes here, 6 large potatoes, and I'm just going to make some holes just with a fork like that. Just stab the potatoes just like that. Just a little bit of stabbing on each one of them. So I've washed them, and now I'm going to just put them in the oven and add some salt and oil. So just uh, stabbing the potato just like that with a fork, just like that. And then this one, and then last but not least, I'm doing the last one here, just stabbing. This dish, guys, is so full of flavors. Alright guys, now I'm just gonna add some oil on the potatoes. Just adding some oil, adding some oil on each potato. Alright, so now adding some salt. So just salt on the potatoes, and I'm just gonna rub the oil and salt around each potato just like that. Rub it around, and then rub it around. Just adding more salt there. So just oiling, just like that. So my potatoes are oiled and got salt. Now it's time to put them in the oven, 200 degrees fan forced oven, for about 40 minutes, and then I'll check if they're soft. If not, I'll add a few minutes, but for now, 400 degrees fan forced oven. Alright guys, in the oven for 40 minutes, 200 degrees fan forced oven. Alright guys, after baking them in the oven for 15 minutes, so now I'm just gonna put a fork through. Yeah, that's soft. I'm just gonna let them cool down while I'm making the filling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my chicken. I'll show you how I'm gonna make the chicken. So these are chicken loaded potatoes. I'll show you how I'm gonna make this. So now oil in the pan, a little bit of oil. So make sure the oil is nice and hot. Now just adding the chicken. So I've cut this chicken into very small pieces. So I'm using chicken thighs, so boneless and skinless chicken thighs. I've cut it into small pieces. Now I'm just going to brown this until it's nice and golden brown. So I'm just going to add black pepper, paprika, some ginger, and then all-purpose seasoning, and some salt. Alright guys, just Cooking the chicken. Just cook the chicken until it's well done. I'm just going to add some garlic, fresh garlic, just to have a little bit of garlic flavor. Alright guys, so my potatoes are now a little bit cooled down. I'm just going to cut them like that and then just squeeze them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the inside of the potatoes and scoop them in a nice bowl. Just scooping the insides just like that, just one by one. Oh. Oh God. Love it. Oh yes. Right guys, this is how the potatoes look. So I've opened them up and then now I'm gonna prepare the mixture. So I'm just going to add the potatoes. So just adding the potatoes that are removed from the now I'm gonna add some cheese. Adding sour cream. That's sour cream there. Adding about 3 tablespoons of sour cream. Now I'm adding cream, just pouring cream. Some garlic chives. Alright guys, just mixing this through. Just gonna mix this through. Mixing Adding in some salt, all-purpose seasoning, and some a little bit of black pepper. Just adding in there. Alright guys, bringing back the potatoes, I'm just gonna fill them up like that, and then add the chicken in there. So add the chicken in there, and then fill this one up just like that. Then add the chicken. Add the chicken in there, and then fill this one up. Fill this one up. And then just adding the chicken in there. Add the chicken. And then fill them up again. Just gonna add on top. Guys, just add the mixture on top also. Just adding cheese, guys, on top here. Alright guys, I'm just gonna put this in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese melts. Right guys, this is how the loaded potatoes look. Now I'm just gonna add some chives. There you have it. Delicious loaded potatoes, chicken loaded potatoes.